Write in your own words about the Section 1 of the 14th Amendment of the USA Constitution. Section 1 of the 14th Amendment of USA Constitution states that all citizens will receive equal protection under law. It says that no person will face any discrimination on any basis in the country USA. Equal opportunities will be provided to everyone. All race will be treated equal. Every citizen will exercise all his or her duties and rights. State the plaintiff, defendant, and issue. In the case Glenn versus Weston Film Feature Corporation. Now, in this case, Glenn versus Weston Film Feature Corporation, the plaintiff is Eleanor Glenn and the defendant is Weston Film Feature Corporation. The issue of the case is a novelist Eleanor Glenn sued the corporation for allegedly pirating, copying her novel 3 Weeks. The plaintiffs contend that segregated public schools are not equal and cannot be equal. Now the title of the case is asked. It is Brown versus Board of Education 1954, and the issue of the case is asked. Now in this case, the question of whether black and white children attend the same school or not, such question was raised and it was settled. The right to education was violated and that was corrected in this case. This case overturned the Plessy versus Ferguson 1896 case, which had earlier established the doctrine of separate but equal. Why Paul Cratides is held prisoner? Paul Cratides is a brother of Sophie Cratides. They are siblings. He was captured and kept like a prisoner by Mr. Harold Latimer and Wilson Kemp because they want the property possessed by this sibling, and for the sign on property papers he had kidnapped Paul Cratides. Then Sherlock Holmes from the Greek interpreter. Mr. Sherlock Holmes is a adventurous detective and a highly intelligent and a famous detective. He and Mr. Watson finds out the mystery behind the Greek interpreter. He is always ready to help people and seek justice to them. He likes to solve criminal and mysterious cases. He solves the case and in the last saves the Greek interpreter, Mr. Malus, from the hands of Mr. Harold Latimer and Wilson Kemp. Right to privacy case in a short. This case I have already explained in the previous videos. Right to privacy. It is about the state of Maharashtra and Madhukar Narayan Mandikar, which protects the right to privacy of a woman against a gross violation of police officer. In this way, we have to write the facts of the case. And in the last, judgment was that she is a woman of a easy virtue. Then also, her evidence cannot be thrown overboard. She is equally entitled to the protection of the law. The next case is the sexual harassment case. Question is also asked that write a short note on sexual harassment case. Means you have to write the case Vishakha and others versus state of Rajasthan. It is a landmark case of sexual harassment. In this case, the Banwari Devi, a social worker in Rajasthan, was brutally gang raped for stopping a child marriage. So the Gujjar men took the revenge from her by raping her. Then she filed a case against the accused men, but the accused were acquitted by trial court. So several women groups came together and filed the PIL as Vishakha and others versus state of Rajasthan. This case protected the articles 14, 15, 19, 1G and 21. The judgment provided the basic definitions of sexual harassment at the workplace.